So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on accessibility. And now you're going to scroll down and then click on audio. Make sure that you have mono audio turned on. This should now fix your problem. You can also try to unplug and plug back in your headset or your speakers. See if that works for you. And for the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find audio inputs and outputs. You're going to expand this. Now you're going to find your speakers. You're going to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. If the problem is still not fixed, then for the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. Now you're going to find audio. Click on run. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down. Now you're going to click on yes to now start running diagnostics. You're going to go through all the steps that come up. Hopefully this will now fix your problem. Once you complete all these steps, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.